Hi, my name is Terrence, and this is my AI business idea. My AI business is called Dinner Time. The mission of Dinner Time is to stop families from eating so much fast food by offering cheap and easy recipes to make. Now, here's where AI comes in. We're going to use AI to find cheap and easy things to make, so it'll generate some ideas, and then we're going to get AI to also go and look at the prices on storefronts and then return those prices to us in a fast and easy way. Even I'd make sure even vegan options are available, or for someone's diet, maybe even a calorie counter could be involved here. There's a lot of opportunities with AI's involvement here. But here's the AI tech I would need. And by AI tech, I mean this is what I would need an AI or maybe multiple AIs to be capable of doing within my app. First, machine learning. Now, why do we need machine learning? Because I need this AI to keep within someone's diet, or I need the AI to find other things from that diet and then recommend those things as well. Say, example, for vegans, I don't want this AI to return the user a beef patty because it might be 99 cents that day. If the user is vegan, then do not recommend any animal products or byproducts, depending on if they're vegan or vegetarian, which there is a difference there. But I need the AI to know that and know not to recommend any animal products or byproducts. AI call and response. Now, within this app, there would be a feature where you could ask the AI to stop recommending a certain item. Maybe the AI has recommended this item 5 times. You're like, okay, we're tired of eating this. Please stop recommending it. And the AI would be like, okay, and it'd find you something else. Or you could tell the AI to add a certain food, maybe something that you like. And hey, if this ever goes on sale, please recommend it that I buy it for this week. Two eyes, AI eyes. By AI eyes, I mean I need the AI to be able to see what prices, the current prices of everything. So I need the AI to be able to access the internet and then find the prices on all the storefronts and then return the correct prices. Um, and then data filtering, because it's looking at all these, maybe the broccoli at Fry's is 50 cents, but then the broccolis at Food City is at $1. I need it to filter. You can get this much broccoli for this much here, but this much broccoli for this much here. I need it to compile all of these food options and then show the user the best one. So that's why it would need data filtering. It would need to categorize all the foods and then return which one is what the AI thinks is the best option. And my goal to you is to let AI open your eyes to a healthier future. And here I will start my course review of the AI course. What I learned most about the AI in here is that prompting is everything. If you do not prompt this correctly, then the AI will give you the fast or the shorthand of doing things. So if you really want a certain output from AI, you have to be really specific. Same thing with machine learning, but in a different way. If you have an AI, a machine learning AI, it's going to do things as efficiently as it can. It will never go outside of its bounds unless you give it a reason to go outside of its bounds. And it will never learn to go outside of its bounds if there is a more efficient way. Think like Crossy Road, for example. Crossy Road is a game where a chicken will hop across the road. It'll dodge and weave through cars as it's trying to get to the other side. If the AI learns, if I get over one street, then I get 20 coins, then it might start intentionally losing once it gets its 20 coins, because it'd be faster to get the 20 coins than to try to cross the next road. Now, what would be the incentive to get the AI to now cross the next road? Well, tell the AI if you get even halfway past the next road, you'll get 30 coins. So the AI go, okay, a few more seconds and I can get 30 coins. And if you cross all the way over, you'll get 40 coins, putting 40 on top of that original 20. So now the AI is like, okay, if I get over here, I get 60 coins now. And you just keep on increasing and increasing the value that the AI would be awarded for doing its task. And then the AI would learn, okay, the further I go, the more I'll make. And maybe you could start toning that incentive down, and maybe the AI would still continue to move on because it believes that it will get a bigger incentive. But back to the dinner time app. Remember, again, my dinner time app is a dinner list of cheap, fast, and easy foods to make for families so we can stop our consumption of so much fast food. Here is the code I did for the dinner time list. It's a simple Python GUI, GUI, however you go about it. And again, with some randomly generated prices here, the AI would source us the price from the storefronts, but I do not have an AI inside of my Python file here. So once we run this, here we go. We're presented with a Python GUI. It gives you a Monday through Friday list of things that you can cook. And I asked AI to generate these for me. So this is an AI's answers of easy things that we as people can cook. Yeah, so every time you load up this program, it'll generate a random 5 out of the 10 options I have available. Here's where's my stop suggesting box, and here's my foods to add box. I would probably add the diet that I was talking about. If someone's on a certain diet, that needs to be a thing that we can filter or check. But yeah, this is just a proof of concept for my app. And yeah, this has been my submission for the AI business project.